Hello everyone, today we are in sunny Yorkshire and we are going to be smoking a tomahawk steak using the Ninja Woodfire Grill.
Let's get into it.
So first things first, we're going to season the steak. I've simply got here a little bowl of salt and pepper. I'm going to sprinkle it on both sides and then we're going to start preheating the grill. Okay, now the steak's seasoned, we're going to turn this on and get the wood pellets in and get it ignited. So I'm going to take a nice level scoop. So let's get some pellets in the hopper, all the way up to the top. Okay, so now we're going to turn it on and we're going to turn it to smoker. We're going to press our wood fire button to ignite the smoke pellets, but we've already got that selected. The temperature, we've got 120, and we're going to set the timer to 45 minutes and then press start, and once we press start it's going to do all its preheating and then it will begin smoking. So the preheating's all finished now, let's add the steak in. Okay, so we've just placed it in around about the 45-minute mark, so I'd say in about 22 minutes I'm just going to flip it. And then once the time's done, we're going to give it a quick sear both sides. Okay, so it's at the 22-minute mark now. I'm going to open up the lid and flip the steak around. Now we're going to leave it for another 20 minutes and then we'll be ready for searing. Okay, so it's all done smoking now. Let's take it out and have a look at it. Whoa, check it out. Not too bad. Nice, nice. Okay, now the smoking's done, we're going to take the steak off of the grill and we're going to put the grill mode on high, and once it's ready, we're going to sear it both sides for 2 minutes on each side. Okay, now our grill is preheated and it's ready for searing, so let's get the steak on and let's do this. So here we go. As we said before, we're going to do 2 minutes, both sides. I have actually had a slight change of plan. We've seared it for 3 minutes and now we're going to flip it. So here we go. 3 minutes on the other side. Right, that's 3 minutes of searing on both sides. So now let's turn the grill off and have a look at the steak. We're going to let this sit on the chopping board for a few minutes. I've just lost my tongs. So we're going to let that sit on the chopping board for a couple of minutes while we make a side salad, and then we'll be back with the end result.
So that was us smoking a steak in the Ninja Woodfire.
If you'd like to see us do more woodfire recipes, leave us a comment down below. Thanks for tagging along and we'll see you again soon.